You've studied English for years. Vocabulary, grammar, reading, listening, you feel ready. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. The words vanish. It's like a wall appears between your thoughts and your mouth. You stumble, simplify, or freeze, unable to express what you really mean. This frustrating freeze is common for adult learners. It's not about intelligence or effort. It's about how your brain is wired to respond under pressure. The anxiety of being judged only makes it worse, and you end up saying less than you want. You're not alone, and this isn't failure. The real issue: you know the words, but haven't practiced using them automatically in conversation. Let's break this cycle and help you speak with confidence. The real culprit is the translation trap, thinking in your native language, then translating to English. It feels logical, but it's slow and exhausting. You build a sentence in your language search for English words, then try to fit them into English grammar, all while someone waits. This process makes your speech sound unnatural and robotic. Languages aren't codes. Direct translation doesn't work for idioms or natural phrasing. The translation trap is comfortable, but it blocks fluency. True fluency means forming thoughts directly in English, not translating. Breaking this habit is the key to speaking naturally. Let's teach your brain a new, faster route. The translation trap does more than slow you down. It chips away at your confidence. Each freeze feels like a failure, making you doubt your abilities. You might stay silent at work or avoid deeper conversations, hiding your true self. The frustration builds, making English feel like a chore. This isn't about your intelligence. It's about your method. When you're stuck translating, you're not present in the conversation. Breaking free lets your real personality shine through. It's about reclaiming your voice in English. Many think the answer is more vocabulary, but that's not the real problem. You already know enough words. The issue is using them naturally. Imagine having all the bricks, words, and the manual, grammar, but no practice building a wall. The problem isn't memory, it's method. Your brain defaults to translating because it's the familiar path. Our goal: create a new habit. Think and speak directly in English. This takes practice, not memorization. Focus on building with what you have, not collecting more. Shift from passive learning to active creation. That's where real progress happens. Here's a 4-step plan to break the translation habit. First, focus on ideas, not words. See an object, describe it in simple English, not your native language. Second, master connectors, and but so, because. Link simple ideas into more complex thoughts. For example, the lamp is on my table so I can read at night, but I don't like it because the light is too yellow. Third, play with sentence order. Try expressing the same idea in different ways. Although the light is too yellow, I use the lamp to read at night. Or, I use the lamp to read at night although I find the light too yellow. This builds flexibility and creativity in English. Fourth, practice purposefully. Spend 5 minutes a day, pick a topic, state 3 ideas, link them, then rephrase. Don't worry about perfect grammar or fancy words. The goal is to build thoughts from scratch in English. Consistent, focused practice rewires your brain. Over time, this becomes your new default. You'll stop translating and start thinking in English. That's the path to fluency. Don't overcomplicate things. Perfection isn't the goal. Focus on clear communication, not flawless grammar. You already have the knowledge. Now it's about building the habit. By following these steps, you're forging a direct connection between ideas and English. At first it's slow, like learning to drive. But with practice, it becomes automatic. Fluency is when thinking in English feels natural. Believe in your ability to change. Your true self can shine in any language. Keep practicing, be patient, and get ready to finally feel like yourself in English.